Present-day trains are made of non-flammable material, and most interiors are made of fire-retardant material, so fires do not occur easily. But once a fire occurs, it often leads to a large disaster, so it requires initial installation of a fire suppression system. GS Hitec OneFog High-Pressure Water Mist Fire Extinguishing System. The OneFog High-Pressure Water Mist Fire Extinguishing System uses only 10% of the amount of water of a conventional system. Due to its high-pressure continuous emission, it prevents fires from spreading, and by pushing toxic gases to the floor, it prevents suffocation and provides good visibility during evacuation. OneFog system guarantees long product life and convenient maintenance to keep the trains always safe. OneFog system is divided into the cylinder type that is installed on the upper part and the DC motor type that is installed on the lower part. When a fire occurs in a train or subway, a smoke detector detects the fire. Next, the suction valve, which controls the blocking or opening of the pipeline, supplies water through the cylinder to the area where the fire is occurring. The nozzle sprays water with the water mist type in the appropriate way to suppress the fire. A water mist fire extinguishing system allows effective prevention of fire spreading through continuous spraying of small amounts of water. By controlling the amount of smoke, you can also minimize the number of casualties caused by suffocation. Therefore, it is an indispensable fire extinguishing equipment for suppressing fires occurring in limited spaces or underground, as well as controlling the spread of toxic gases. If a water mist system is additionally installed in a subway platform, we can prevent fires from spreading and avoid secondary damages caused by the spread of toxic smoke. Fast and efficient means of transportation. The true value of a train commences from the safety of its passengers.